guys, today's vocab. Today's vocab is double check. I repeat, double check. The meaning of double check is to re-verify something. This is a word related to exams. And this word is mostly used by mama and papas. In a sentence something like, don't forget to re-verify or don't forget to double check your paper before you submit it. So mama and papa, please use this word before you send your kids to school. I repeat, double check. Today's word is double check. The meaning of double check is to re-verify something. So that's all for today. I'll be here tomorrow in a new video. It's me Ashwant signing off. Peace out.